Yes, hello everyone, welcome to an exam Famite video tutorial. Now for this episode, I'm gonna actually show you how to use Microsoft Office to actually mark a work or an assignment, for example, just about your teacher or your lecturer. You need to do some correction. So let's go, just opening a document that can or that needs correction, I should actually say. So let's go. All right, that's not that the one. Right, so let's say for example you have this document there. You need to correct it. This is what we call lesson plans. So I need to do some correction to it. Now you need to go to, once you open the document, then go to review. Then you're gonna actually highlight the section. So let's say for example date. So there's no date for this plan, so I'm gonna highlight it. Then I'm gonna click on new comment, and in the comment section you actually comment what you want to have there. So I'm gonna write please insert date. All right, so it's just as simple as that. So just about anywhere you want to make some correction. So let's say for example there is something wrong with this sentence there, so highlight it, click on new comment, and then basically comment what you need to comment there. So this is how you can use Microsoft Office to actually make correction to a document or to a assignment. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Famitech is out of here.